In 1999, the League to Save Lake Tahoe hosted the first Tahoe Forest Stewardship Day. Ever since, the community has rallied to pitch in for these annual hands-on restoration events. Healthy forests act as natural pollution filters for Lake Tahoe, but Tahoe's forests have been hit by logging, development, and wildfires. Join us on September 23rd for the 20th annual Tahoe Forest Stewardship Day. Our work will help restore forests in the Angora Burn area. This year, we'll celebrate 20 years of community and environmental restoration. Together, we can keep Tahoe blue.